Earlier this month, we got our first look at the design for Google's upcoming Pixel Fold 2, and to say it was a shock feels like something of an understatement. A leaked early test model looked completely alien compared to last year's foldable, with a new camera bump and a revised aspect ratio that made the whole thing look more in line with the OnePlus Open than anything branded Pixel. Now we're getting some follow-up renders that double down on this new look, alongside some details surrounding its refreshed size and shape. As per the leaks from OnLeaks and Smartprix, these renders seem to be straight out of Google's EVT leak, which might just make us reconsider our skepticism about this design. It's understandable to have doubts, especially with the new squared camera bump throwing off the familiar Google style. With the new aspect ratio for the front screen and inner display, the Pixel is getting a fresh makeover. The leaked cover display is said to be around 6.4 inches, a significant increase from the original Pixel Fold's 5.8-inch screen and even larger than the 6.31-inch display on the OnePlus Open. When folded, the alleged device is a major departure from the 2023 model, being much taller and thinner by 15.5 and 1.56 millimeters, while also trimming down its width by about 1.5 millimeters. This makes it the thinnest foldable available in North America, surpassing the OnePlus Open by over a millimeter and bringing it closer in size to last year's OnePlus foldable. Unfortunately, the weight of this new unit remains unknown, a previous weak point in Google's hardware. But let's not forget, this is a foldable device. What about the interior screen? The new model is expected to feature a 7.9-inch display, larger than last year's 7.6-inch screen, with a more square aspect ratio to complement the updated dimensions. The bezels appear slimmer than before, incorporating an in-display camera for a seamless viewing experience. The latest leak reveals a new hinge design that resembles the one used for the OnePlus Open, featuring sleek side bezels that may give the front case a delicate feel. If Google is adopting similar weight reduction techniques for the hinge, we might see a much lighter smartphone compared to last year's model. Time will tell. It seems like we'll have to wait a bit longer before we can actually test it out ourselves. Rumors hint that the Pixel Fold 2 will be powered by Tensor G4, possibly launching alongside the Pixel 9 series in the fall. Whether it will blend in with the upcoming non-foldable designs remains uncertain. One thing is certain, though, the nostalgic Moleskine vibe of the previous Pixel Fold is a thing of the past. So, what are your thoughts on these new renders of the Google Pixel Fold 2? Share your opinions in the comments below, and stay tuned for more updates on our channel. Until next time, take care.